The video opens with a fast-paced promotional montage for a technical college. The camera glides through an auto shop as text reads, "From automotive," then passes through a tire to reveal a welding workshop with sparks flying. Text to welding. A large facility with a yellow overhead crane and fabrication equipment. Text, fabrication. A student operates a yellow robotic arm. Text, industrial mechanics. An instructor holds a control pad. Text, electromechanics. Quick shots of students, instructors, and equipment with text overlays. Training, education, technical expertise. Classroom and lab scenes continue as text appears. The future of manufacturing is here. The Nicolet College logo appears, a white oak leaf inside a golden brown circle, with the text Nicolet College and nicoletcollege.edu.